Hey folks, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and what we have here is a 63 Mercury Monterey S-55 405 horsepower V8 engine. Guess you guys can read all that. I don't need to read it for you. 4,390 pounds. Good Lord. Let's look at this beauty. She's something now. It's a rag top too, folks. A 394 barrel Marauder engine, super Marauder. Get you a look down the side of it here. Pardon me, just had lunch. Sorry about that. Oh man, look at this, automatic in the floor. Look at that, ain't that sweet? Lord have mercy. A classy car this day. Yes, I have never heard of this. An S-55. I learned something today. Heard of the Mercury Marauder, and I've heard of the Monterey. Drive safely, folks. This is a nice car. Very nice car. Let's look at the. Somebody's handing out flyers for something here. I'm gonna get one of those. This is a beautiful dash. Look at the detailing on the door panel. Let's see if I can blow that up. And the car show here. What was this in Henderson? Oh, okay, I'm familiar with that show. October the 15th, that figures. I think I've got a conflict, and I ain't gonna make that, folks. Alright, folks, there you have it. Monterey convertible S-55. Hope you guys enjoyed that.